If you're one of my 5 faithful subscribers, you remember a few videos back I showed you a black chest rig that I had picked up for both running and for kind of a working on projects carry-all, and I've really liked it. I liked it so much that I have decided to introduce the same idea into my Get Home kit. So I picked up another one of those Condor chest rigs, and also got this Condor, what do they call this thing? It's a large utility pouch, but it has this clamshell maybe design that opens up like so. And what I've done is I've put some of the gear that I would need to get to on a pretty regular basis during the Get Home exercise into this thing so I can get right to it. Obviously my map, I've got my backup glasses, Leatherman, my IR flashlight, compass, and then in here I've got a folding knife, my binoculars, and then just some couple of sundries, something to ride on, backup, and some water purification, some fire starter, stuff like that. The idea here is that if something happened and I had to ditch my pack and run for it, I would still have this chest rig on me and everything in it. So I'd be moving on with some tools and all my land nav stuff, or most of it, and some fire making and water purification gear. So it's something I'm really excited about. I've been wearing it around. I don't even know it's there. That's how comfortable it is. And I think it's going to be a good addition to the whole Get Home kit. I really do. So just wanted to introduce that. I tell you, I'm really agonizing over which pack I'm going to use, what pack system. And no matter which one I go with, this is going to be a part of it. And it'll help balance the weight of the pack or load-bearing gear by having some of this weight, some of this gear up front. While I'm agonizing over which pack to take, let's go do a quick run through of what I'm actually taking for my Get Home kit. First of all, I've got a cold steel kukri, you know, just for going through some swamp and brush. A little bit of a weapon there. I've got my Sawyer Mini. I've pared my paracord down, no pun intended, by half. I've got enough Esprit heat tabs to last me 3 days. That's a meal and a hot wet. Pair of gloves, war paint, and then don't know how many water bottles I'm going to take right now. I'm still going back and forth between all water bottles or water bottles and a bladder. But definitely going to have one canteen cup, and this is a canteen cup that I have turned into an Esprit stove. Works pretty good, actually. Pair of wire cutters. I may be going through some fencing. This is a camouflage rain cover for whichever pack I take. My headlight with red lens and batteries in a drop-proof case, since I drop it every time I pick it up. 2, count them, 2 mosquito head nets. The other maps that I'll be taking, the main map is going to be in my chest rig. This is a poncho. This is a issue rain parka. Got this brand new for 19 bucks. What a deal. The head to my dog sticker. My folding knife, snake bite kit. Now this is still in the works. This is my pared down first aid kit but it's still in this heavy waterproof container, and I'm seriously thinking about parsing this stuff into plastic bags and putting it elsewhere. Then I've got my cold weather gear and my 3 days worth of meals. In addition, I'm thinking of adding these two screw steps. That's not what they're made for. They're made to hold bows up in trees, but I got them as screw steps. If I ever decide I do need to overnight, I'd rather be about 13 feet up. And a couple of these, they're heavy, but you can climb a tree quick if you've got these to help you. Thinking about it, I'm still on the fence. And I'm going to add my night vision setup. I think that would really come in heavy since I plan to travel, straight, day and night. And of course, the bottom of my dog sticker.